there it is. Missing some parts. Really hard to show with this little camera, but yeah, I took some pictures as I went along here, and just to help me, and so I've gotten to this point here. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. Anyway, mind me while I, and of course now I still have to put back together the oh wait. Turn the volume down a bit. Well, here, let me just show you it like this. Actually, let me stop, rewind. That's what this model is here, in case you haven't seen one before on the inside. I just finished putting, I don't have the tape counter on just yet, or the music search feature. Right. Okay. There it goes. It just wasn't lined up right. Because it's not. Anyway, so there's that. But I just want to get the camera up close. Let me have the thing off the tripod. Oh, so just give you a little. So here's that channel and this one, but can't go any wider, so I'm just going to play with the balance here. So that's that channel over there. Give it some volume so you can hear it. And then I'm going to transition to the other channel. Just that one there. Nothing in here, right? Stereo, and there's that channel. Alright, so let's back to stereo, and then we've got mono, stereo, and stereo wide. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's what it sounds like. Sounds really good. I still need to put the this back on. This is the music selector. No, wait, you probably can't hear me here. Here's the music selector thing. And then I got to put the tape counter back in, and I've got another belt here for it. And I just want to show you that. I don't want to bore you to death. It's been 3.5 minutes. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, good night, goodbye. This is my little update.